Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and this baby right here is the best ring light I have ever owned as a content creator of 2 years. When creating videos, angles are your best friend, but sometimes they can be your worst enemy when it comes to shadows. I can adjust this ring light to an angle of just over 180 degrees forward and back. And because my phone rests on a gooseneck, I also have the flexibility to change the angle of my phone in relation to the ring light, which really gives me much more potential to eliminate those nasty shadows when I'm filming. Also, this ring light is tall, y'all. This thing can go up to 73 inches, which is just over 6 feet. And of course, I love that this 6-foot tripod can whittle itself down to all of 19 inches, making it so easy for storage. And that ring light that you really want to keep protected goes in its own carrying case. The legs can lay flat on the ground, allowing for even more stability, but you can adjust the angle of the legs, which I find helpful depending on whether I'm filming in a large or a small space. Don't let your ring light limit you. This comes with all the bells and whistles, everything I need to make quality content. And that's my point of view.